In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete accounts from the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Let's walk through this process together to ensure you know exactly what to do when you need to manage your accounts effectively. First, you'll want to start by opening the QuickBooks Online website. This is your central hub where all your accounting magic happens. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with the business whose chart of accounts you want to manage. Once you're on the home page and logged in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Look towards the navigation bar and you'll see an option labeled More. Clicking on More will reveal additional features and settings that aren't immediately visible on the main navigation panel. Go ahead and select it. Next, you should see a choice labeled Accounting. Click on Accounting to reveal more options related to account management. Now, from this expanded menu, you'll want to select Chart of Accounts. This section provides a detailed list of all the accounts your business is currently using. Once you've navigated to the chart of accounts, your task now is to locate the specific account you wish to delete. Take your time scrolling through the list, or you can use the search bar if you have a large number of entries. Identifying the right account is crucial to ensure that the correct one is modified. When you've found the account you want to delete, you'll notice an arrow next to it. This arrow is your gateway to making changes to your account settings. Click on this arrow to proceed. You should now see an option labeled Make Inactive. Click Make Inactive to begin the process of removing the account from active use. By marking the account inactive, you ensure it no longer appears in your active lists, effectively deleting it from daily operations. The final step is to follow any prompts that appear on your screen. QuickBooks might ask you to confirm your choice or explain the consequences of inactivating an account, such as losing related transactional data. It's essential to read these prompts carefully to understand what impact this action might have on your bookkeeping. Once you confirm, the account will be successfully made inactive, streamlining your financial records and removing any unnecessary clutter. This process can help keep your chart of accounts organized and relevant. Remember, the account isn't completely deleted. It's just marked inactive, allowing you to reactivate it if necessary at a later date. That wraps up today's tutorial. By following these steps, you can ensure your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online remains tidy and up to date, allowing you to focus on more critical accounting tasks. Thank you for watching, and be sure to join us next time for more QuickBooks tips.